I have got a question. Do you consider your skin to be clear? Is it really glowing, bright, free from blackheads, blemishes and pimples? Do you really have a skincare routine? Namaste everyone. A radiant, bright, clear glowing skin, it's not just for the women, it's also for the men. If you really want a glowing skin 30 years from now, you need to make a choice. And the choices that you make today will help that happen. Always remember, a beautiful skin is a lifelong process and developing a skincare routine is the most important aspect. We all know its benefits on the physical level, like it removes dead skin cells, it generates new skin cells, softens the skin, enhances the elasticity of the skin and a lot more. But does it have any impact on the mental level? Yes, of course. Having a clean and clear skin simply boosts your self-confidence, and what's the first part of yourself that others see when you meet them? It's the face. So why not just go ahead, carry yourself with the best look ever. So today in this video, I'm gonna take you over the changes that you need to make in your day-to-day schedule. Yes, we're talking about an organic and natural skincare routine. This will have 5 easy steps: cleansing, deep cleansing, massage, pack and toner. In each step, we'll be using easily available ingredients, but at the same time, each ingredient being completely natural and each combination being very, very effective. So this is definitely going to give you results. So let's go ahead and find out what these ingredients are, how do they work and why have we chosen them. Let's go. Step number 1. Cleansing. Here we are using salt and milk. Instead of milk, you can also use curd. Cleansing is a process that will remove excess oil, dirt and other pollutants from the face. The lactic acid in milk gives a skin whitening effect along with dissolving dead skin and tighten pores. On the other hand, salt is a natural antiseptic. Step number 2. Deep cleansing. Here we are using Neem, Tulsi and Pudina. We all know the benefits of Neem and Tulsi. I'm sure most of us have used Neem Tulsi face wash. But why have we used Pudina? It's because of the salicylic acid present in it, which helps with blackheads, pimples and blemishes. Keep in mind, do not rub this on your face, exfoliate very gently followed by steam. Step number 3 is massage. We're using fresh natural papaya and bananas. Massaging the face will increase blood flow. More the blood flow, more is the collagen production. More the collagen production, healthier is the skin. And this definitely gets a natural glow on the face. Step number 4, it's pack. We're using chandan, rak chandan, ambe haldi and kapur kachli. Pack brings moisture to dry and dehydrated skin. It softens the skin and enhances its elasticity. All the ingredients that we've chosen have skin lightening properties. Also, because we've added kapur kachli, it will give a cooling effect as well. Step number 5, we're using water and orange peel powder, which is santra sal. We know oranges are full of vitamin C, most needed for healthy glowing skin. Take water, mix orange peel powder, boil it for some time, then cool it and fill it in an empty spray bottle and use it as a natural toner. Toners help in balancing the pH, the potential hydrogen of the skin. This was all about the skincare routine which cures as well as prevents any skin problem. The dosage, benefits, timing, everything is mentioned in the description box. Either way friends, this was today's video. I hope you found this video useful. Share it with your friends who'd benefit from this. Also comment down all your doubts, your questions, everything. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, from Jyovis, thank you for watching this video. Sayonara.